What is latent heat? The latent heat of fusion and vaporization. It is the heat required to convert a solid into a liquid or vapor, or a liquid into a vapor without change of temperature. Latent heat comes from the Latin latens, which means lying hidden. It was discovered in 1750 by Joseph Black while experimenting with Scotch whiskey in the distilling process. Latent heat takes place all around us every day in the process of evaporation of water evaporating a liquid and becoming a gas contained in the atmosphere. The change of a liquid, water, being vaporized into a gas is the latent heat of vaporization. The latent heat of condensation is when that gas contained in a cloud returns to moisture and comes down in the form of rain or water. Latent heat is seen in freezing and melting of a solid to a liquid, which we don't deal with in HVAC. But in HVAC, we deal with the liquid changing state to a gas and the gas changing state to a liquid. This is latent heat of vaporization and condensation. I'm sure all of you have seen this change of state process where we go from 32 degrees water to 32 degrees water, which is latent heat, and it takes 144 BTUs to make that change of state. Then we add sensible heat to heat the 32 degree water to 212 degrees. It is still liquid. And then it takes 970 BTUs to make a change of state from the liquid of 212 to gas at 212 degrees. The condenser is a heat exchanger used to condense a gas into a liquid state through cooling. Latent heat is released by the gas and transferred to the surrounding air. The latent heat required to boil off the refrigerant from a liquid to a gas is taken from the air as it passes through the coil, thus cooling the air. This boiling process is called evaporation. Thus, the coil in which this occurred is referred to as the evaporator.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.